Good morning, students. How are you? It is a better to fail in originality than to success in imitation. That means whatever you are doing in your life, so do yourself. If you have your knowledge, don't cheat to others, because after cheating to others, you cannot go for longer. Okay? So, and you will not feel also, you will not feel good when you don't have such kind of knowledge. Even just you are showing I have just because of others, so you will not be confident. Okay? So I mean that be confident and get your knowledge. Okay? Today I am going to start with chapter 2, polynomials. So first I will explain what is polynomials. Means what are polynomials? The type of the algebraic expressions. Type of the algebraic expressions, just like 3x, 4x square. These are algebraic expressions. So type of the algebraic expressions are called polynomials. Second is what are variables. Variables means small alphabets which are being used in polynomials, in expressions. Algebraic expressions are called variables. Here you can say x is being used in this algebraic expression. It means x is a variable. So a small alphabet from A to Z which are being used in a polynomial are called variables. Polynomials in one variable. Here is written one variable. One variable means only one type of variables which will be used. Means a polynomial in which a polynomial which has one type of variable is called polynomial in one variable. For example, 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Here you can see only one type of variable. One type of variable is only x. Only x is being used in whole polynomial. Means in this polynomial. So another example, 2y plus 2 is okay. Here only y is being used. But if your polynomial is written like this, x square plus 5y plus 3, so this is not a polynomial in one variable, because here two types of variables are being used. First one is x, second one is y. So when two types of variables will be used in any polynomial, that will not be called one variable. Polynomial will not be in one variable. Okay. Let us see few other let us see others definitions. What are coefficient, what are quotient terms, what are terms. Okay. Here I have written a polynomial that is 3x square plus 5x plus 6. You can write minus 5x. Okay. So I can explain many other things. Here this is our polynomial where these are called terms. These are called terms. In this polynomial, how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. Okay, these are called terms. So here you can write number of terms are 3. Okay, terms are 3. These are called terms. And now this is called means an algebraic expression in which there is no any algebraic variable, means no x, y, z, p, q, r, nothing is with it. It means this is a constant term. Constant term. This term is constant. Okay. Now degree. What about I am going to talk about degree. What is a degree? It means maximum exponent. Means maximum power of a polynomial is called degree. Means exponent. Check your exponent. Here exponent is 1, but here exponent is 2. So maximum power of this polynomial is called its degree. So here degree is This is called degree. So in this polynomial, degree is 2. Maximum power of the polynomial is called its degree. Okay, now next thing is coefficient. The coefficient, what are coefficients means? If any variable has a number, that is called its coefficient. Here coefficient of x square is 3. You have, and always keep it in mind, you will write coefficient with sign, plus 3, minus 3, whatever is there, but you write with sign. So here coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is plus 3. Okay. Now, if your question is asking write the coefficient of x, so here is x. So coefficient of x is, this is a coefficient of x is minus 5. So have you understood what are the degree terms, coefficient and quotient terms and number of terms? Clear? And now any polynomial, okay, this is a advantage for you. Any polynomial which has degree 2, that is also called quadratic equation. I think it will be in your next class. Okay, so always keep it in mind. Okay, I am giving this point before your before your chapter. So if any polynomial has degree 2, that is also called quadratic equation. Okay, so let us have examples related to these points. Video exercise 2.1, question number 1. Which of the following are polynomial in one variable? Keep it in mind. Which of the following are polynomial in one variable? Means first you have to check your expression should be in polynomial and that polynomial should be in one variable also. So these two things will be checked. Now check here. In this equation, two types of, only one type of variable is being used, which is x. Okay, now it means this is a one variable. Only one type of variable is in this polynomial, it means this is one variable. It's clear? Now check, is it polynomial or not? Beta, you can check here degree. Beta, degree of x is a whole number. If degree of any variable is whole number, it means that is a polynomial. Okay, so here you can say here degree is 2, that is whole number. That is whole number. And 1, and it has one type of variable that is x. So it is a polynomial in one variable. Clear? So let us check. We see third part of the same question is 3 root t plus t root 2. Here, first check, is it a one variable? Is it this polynomial is one variable? This in whole equation is in whole polynomial you are saying that only one type of variable is here, only t. It means that is a polynomial. Now only one variable, but check, is it a polynomial or not? See, if you like this polynomial 3t and you remove square root, then you will write t to the power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Here you can see that the degree of the t is fractional number. This is a fractional number. Fractional number means it is not a whole number. If degree of the polynomial is not whole number, it means this is not a polynomial. Even then, it has only one variable, but it is not a polynomial. So you write here degree is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number. Which is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. Okay, you can write here. So 8 is not a polynomial. Is it clear? Now check next part of the same question. Question is y plus 2 upon y. Okay, if you will write these equations like y square plus y plus 2 upon y. When you write this y square plus 2 in bracket y to the power minus 2. Here variable has degree minus 1. It means minus 1 is not a whole number. Means your degree should not be negative. It means this polynomial means these equations are not a polynomial. It cannot be a polynomial. So you can write here first write conditions whatever is here. Here degree is minus 1. Okay, which is negative. So this is not. So it is not a polynomial. Okay, clear? So points are clear. Your degree should not be negative, should not be fractional, should not be decimal values. Means these points should not follow by polynomial. If your degree of the polynomial is a whole number, then you can say these options are generating a polynomial. Okay. Let us solve next questions. Next question number 2 is write the coefficient of x square. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the followings. So first part of the same question is coefficient of x. Where is x square? This one is x square. Okay. So here what is the number? Means what is the coefficient of x square? That is 1, which is not written here. So you can write coefficient of x square is plus 1. That is your answer. Clear? Here write coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, right? Just tell me first. Coefficient of x square here, that is 1, and this side minus 1. This coefficient of minus 1. Okay, clear? Here coefficient of x square. So what is the number with x square? X square with pi by 2, pi upon 2. That is your answer. Here write the coefficient of x square. Tell me first, what is the coefficient of x square? Tell me first, what is the coefficient of x square in this expression? Okay, I'm not. Yes, tell me, what is coefficient of x square? Because x square is not present here, the coefficient of x square is 0. When x square is not present here, then coefficient will be 0. Okay, so this is your answer. Let us solve next question of the same exercise. Next question number 4 is write the degree which are the following polynomials? I have explained what the degree means. Maximum power of the polynomial is called its degree. So here degree. What is the degree? Write it fast before writing me. Degree of this polynomial is 1, no, 2, no, because 3. 3 is the maximum power of this polynomial. So degree is 3. Here, write degree. Degree of the variable is here, and degree is 1, which is not visible. 1. Here, write degree. Degree of this polynomial, because here is no variable, so degree is big 0. Okay, answer clear, everyone? So let us solve next question of the same exercise. Next question number 5. Classify is these are polynomials are given to you. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials are is also called means trinomial. Okay. Here, linear polynomial means in which degree is only 1. That is called linear polynomial. Keep it in mind, and you can write in your copy also. Linear polynomial means a polynomial which had degree 1. Quadratic polynomial means which had degree 2. And cubic polynomial means which had degree 3. So here degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. Here degree is 3. When degree is 3, it means so it is cubic, otherwise trinomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay, here degree is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. Okay, students. So with these questions, I'm going to wind up your exercise. In next video, I will back with your next exercise. Okay. So thank you, students, and work hard.